Terry's favorite group.
Absolutely.
The
The
Eagles. The highest is 77 degrees today, Las Vegas. Be going home now. I will make chicken fried rice. And I have my pony fish paksiw. And with my ampalaya salad. How about that? Those simple joys in life are our wealth in life.